When it comes to candy rings, go big or go home. That's cool, but some prefer the handmade touch. Give these strawberry candies a bit of a pestle push. We can use it to whip up some cotton candy. These both look good. You want to trade? Ooh, a gummy ring! Dig in! You won't chip a tooth. Now for the candy floss. Hey, don't rain on her parade.
Oh no.
No candy allowed. Well, at least you've got math. Oh, careful with that sugar mastic. It kind of looks like an eraser. But we can make it anything we like. It's math class, so how about a calculator? Can't forget the numbers. Or symbols. Just make sure you use edible ink. Now let's see if it passes inspection.
What?
Well, let's see if it can do equations. It can. Oh, just what can't candy do? Of course, the real test is in the taste. And it looks like it passes with flying colors. Here, why don't you try for yourself? Marshmallows. But it's still math class. Uh-oh, it looks like someone forgot to study last night. But maybe those braids of yours can help. Wait a minute. These are marshmallow too.
Hey!
Oh no!
And you're not a real blonde either.
Uh-oh.
We better hide the squishies before he notices. Let's leave this stuffing for the squirrels. Besides, we can use them for a new craft. Just add toothpicks. Soon, you've got a zoo. I mean, sure, candy's not allowed in here, but I'm sure art class projects are okay. Wow, good thing he forgot this was math class. So, why don't we sneak in a few bites? You just know this is how he saves on snacks. Always gotta trick up your sleeve, I see. Okay, everybody, take out your notebook. It's time for your daily journal entry. Hold on, he's being called away on an anti-candy seminar. Which means all that candy's left unguarded.
Wow! Come on.
Grab a balloon. We're gonna need a lot of hot air. Next, add some blue paint. We're making a decoy globe. This girl really is a woman of the world. Now ditch the real one and get into place. Guess that lecture on marzipan ran longer than expected. Now why don't we sneak in a quick treat? And it looks like you're in good company. But some people just can't handle the tooth.
Ouch!
Ooh, they say the world's a scary place, but not quite like this. It's gym class. Let's warm up with push-ups. Wow, all this exercise is sure paying off. You're already sporting a six-pack. Hold on, it's your secret stash. Well, you need energy. But candy's not allowed in this class either. Don't worry, she snuck in popcorn. Caramel popcorn. And what can't be improved by chocolate spread? Something tells me she's got something in mind. A football. Pigskin without the pig. Or skin. But there's plenty of pop to go around.
Hey!
Uh-oh, quick, go long! Forward pass, other sports term. Ooh, now that's what I call a fumble. Poor thing, you've earned a little treat. You'll never pass the bar with behavior like this, young lady. Here, let her help you with your lipstick. I think she's got some secret plans for it. First, we need some pink chocolate. Add some heat, let it melt, and stir things up. Now pour it into an empty lipstick tube. Try it out. And how about a quick nibble? Silence!
Hey!
The artiste is showing you his process. Start with basic shapes, like triangles and squares. And voila! You've got a palatial estate! Guess an artist can't reveal all their secrets. Well, why don't we craft something more our own style? Simple recipe. Mix some yogurt with colorful candies. Oh, and we can't forget our special brush. Wow, you sure have one refined palette. Don't forget, the world is just full of colors. Just make sure to save some for your canvas. Looks like you made backup brushes. Good idea. This looks great, and it smells amazing. Ooh, she really gets into art. Blue, her favorite flavor. Her friends, too.
No.
Sorry, young lady. Hand it over. Well, I guess that works. He's taking this. Don't worry, she's gonna return the favor. This may look like an ordinary glue stick. And it is. But we can make a few adjustments. Empty it and fill it up with taffies. Just trim off all that excess glop. Here, why don't you take things for a quick spin? You know, I've heard of eating glue before, but I think this is an even better idea. Perfect thing to get out of a sticky situation. She really knows how to get into a good book. Uh-oh, secrets always have a way of coming out.
Hey!
Don't worry, she's got backups, like rice paper. Just make sure to add some lines. A little hole punching won't hurt either. You know, those red highlights are candy too. The perfect thing to run through this paper. Who can resist making a fruity look for each hole? Use some edible ink to draw some pictures. I wouldn't take notes. This thing isn't gonna last. Honestly, it's a shame something looks this good. especially when it tastes even better.
Hey.
Looks like someone could use your help.
Uh-huh.
Good thing there's plenty to go around. Careful, don't want to be caught passing notes. But you'll be surprised at how good it is going down. I know a lot of things have been candy today, but I don't think that includes those pencils.
Ew.
That said, today is all about candy. So I think it's time we get cracking. We can whip up something nice and sturdy. We just need a bunch of Pocky cookie sticks. Plus a marshmallow eraser to cushion things up.
Wow.
The best part? We can still write with it. Just remember to only eat from the opposite side. With pencils this good, it pays to have a spare. Come on, girls, it's time for school. Calm down, one at a time, one at a time. And look who followed them to school. Oren, Pinky, and Wenda. Ratty and Simon are here too. Let's explore. I think these guys have been hanging out with cats again. At least you two are focused on your studies. Good thing, too. That teacher seems strict. Uh-oh, I think he noticed your special guests. But don't worry, it's time for Spunky at school. This laptop makes taking notes a breeze. Well, as long as you don't mess with the keys. They say life is like a box of chocolates. And as they also say, la vie en rose. In other words, life's better in pink. Especially when that pink is pinky. And look, your very own keyboard. Hey, it's Jevin. Haven't seen him in a while. And a whole bunch of our Spunky friends. Uh-oh, the warm colors are making a mess. Well, we can always just spread the love. 'Cause I'm pretty sure it's surprise inspection time. Ooh, poor Blue, you got the blame. But don't get angry, get even. Or better yet, it's time to get crafting. And cardboard is a crafter's best friend. Hey, it's a Jack-in-the-Box, and it looks like Simon. I'd say Simon in the box, but Simon is the box. And he'll hold all of your trash for you. Ooh, it's hot. You know, a little AC would be appreciated. Careful, you need that paper for our next craft. Pinky sure has a face for merchandise. But she'll always be her own biggest fan. Pinky can be a little shy at times. But she still knows when to open up. It's time to get Gone with the Wind. Now it's your turn, Blue. Any ideas? Once again, it's cardboard to the rescue. But I wonder what you're making. Whatever it is, it involves a bottle. Oh, I see. It's your very own water cooler. I mean, you could just drink from the bottle. But where would the fun in that be?
Woo!
Besides, Aqua always wanted to be a mascot. Twist the cap and enjoy some blue juice. Refreshing. You can tell it's cold because it's blue. Uh-oh, you're out of ink. It's our printer all over again. Don't worry, your Spunky friends can help. Sky always wanted to be in a band. A cotton swab? I think we should use the clean side. Either way, cover it up with double-sided tape. Now it's time to stack our Spunkies. It's almost like a rainbow. Sorta. Kinda. Dip it in ink and write your heart out. And you can even change colors. The best part, it's made with love. Remember, in math, it's best to use a pencil. Or at least one of those erasable pens. On second thought, maybe use a calculator. So why don't we make one ourselves? And can you tell who's a real math whiz? How about I give you a little hint? It's someone who's really into spring. That's right, it's Vinaria. Don't forget her flowers. That's right, 2 plus 2 is 4. Seems so obvious now. Ooh, a Pop-It toy. Oh, careful with those nails. Seriously, we lose more Pop-It toys this way. Well then, we'll just need to make a new toy. First, we need to make a cube. It's Sky. But remember, cubes are three-dimensional. Otherwise, they'd just be a bunch of squares. Oh, so that's what Sleeping Beauty's been up to. I don't think she'll mind if we borrow some slime. We can store it in our secret Sky box. While we're at it, don't forget his ears, or his cowlick. It's kind of his trademark. Give him a squeeze and he'll share the goop. Time for the big math test. Did you bring your calculator? Of course, at this point, she'll settle for a new pencil. Well, maybe good old Lilac Lily can help. She's getting promoted to pencil sharpener. And it keeps the shavings all in one place. Just don't forget to clean it out now and then. Now ace that test, assuming you studied. It's important to look your best. What? No makeup? Next, they'll change the dress code to rags. But it's okay. I'm sure you'll draw up a solution. Like your very own paper compact. But it's looking a little flat. Add some stuffing. Now it's your very own Spunky makeup kit. Why don't we try a little powder first? Wow! Talk about a transformation!